Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jeff, and in this video we're installing a cold air intake on a 2015 Ford Fusion. This is your new friend Trevor, and this is his Fusion right here. This is his daily driver. It has just under 100,000 miles on it, and he's just looking to get a little more power out of it and a little better gas mileage. So we're gonna install this K&N cold air intake today. K&N usually makes really good stuff, and we got this kit from Amazon for just under 200 bucks. So if you're interested in buying one for your Fusion, I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. But we just wanted to show you guys this dyno sheet that came in the kit. And it shows that a stock 2013 Fusion with a 2-liter EcoBoost gained just over 10 horsepower and about 9.5 pound-feet of torque with this kit. So those are pretty solid gains. Cold air intakes definitely increase the performance of a car, as you can see here. So again, just wanted to share that with you guys. And with all of that said, let's go ahead and get started on the install. So Trevor's car also has a 2-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. And as you can see from those dyno numbers, the kit should wake it up a little bit, and we're hoping it'll sound better too. So we're gonna start by disconnecting the battery and removing the factory intake. All right guys, the factory intake is out. And it's pretty easy, it just takes about 10 minutes. You just disconnect the sensors and loosen the clamps, undo the clips, and there's one bolt, and then it comes right out. This is the intake air temperature sensor, and as you can see, it's a little dirty, so we're gonna clean it up before we install it in the new intake. All right, so we went to install the temperature sensor in the new intake, and we hit a little bit of a snag. So the kit comes with 2 different size grommets, and the one that we need to install requires us to enlarge the temperature sensor hole to 3/4 of an inch. I don't have a 3/4 inch drill bit, so we're gonna have to stop and go to the store and get one. All right guys, we're back from the store. We bought this behemoth of a drill bit, and it cost us 20 bucks, which sucks, but we're ready to go see if we can get that opening a little bigger for the temperature sensor. All right, so we got the grommet in and the sensor in, and it looks good. So I think we're ready to put everything back together. All right, guys, so we are done, and here's a look at the finished product. As you can see, it looks really good. Overall, the install went well. It took us about 1.5 to 2 hours, which isn't bad. And the only issues we had were having to enlarge that temperature sensor hole. And the other issue we had was with this bracket right here that holds the intake in place. We had to bend it towards the firewall to get the filter to sit in place better, so it doesn't interfere with the hood as it closes. Here's a quick clip of what the car sounds like before and after the install. All right, so as you can hear, that's a pretty big difference. And now we're gonna go on a test drive. Okay guys, so we've got the install completed and we're going on a test drive. And Trevor says he can already feel the difference.
I also put it in sport mode.
So that just adds like 20 horsepower right there.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so when this light goes green and Trevor makes the turn, we're gonna go full send. So first thoughts are that there's definitely a huge difference in the noise. You can hear the turbo more, and it sounds awesome. What do you think?
You can definitely tell a difference.
So yeah, Trevor says he can tell a difference, and he should see a difference in gas mileage. And again, it sounds amazing.
That's some great driving.
Yeah, you're killing it.
Yeah.
We were just saying how the new intake sounds like a bunch of bald eagles under the hood.
making bald eagle babies. America.
America. All right, guys, we're back from the test drive. It was a success. The install was a success. I think Trevor's happy, and that does it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.